friends, this is our driftwood which we had prepared, and the process for preparation is you need to first boil the wood. You need to initially put the wood in a water, don't necessarily boil it, and keep it for 2-3 days. You will see that the enzymes from what driftwood is coming out, and it could be some slimy and brownish color the water turns. Then you need to throw away the water, and you need to boil it, the wood, at least for 2-3 hours. Once it's dried, you need to keep it and again boil it. Then once it's done, but then you need to put it in wherever place you want to have it. And thereafter, for creating the wood edges, you need to have a super glue, and you need to sharpen the edges so that it looks beautiful, something like this. As you can see, this portion I had sharpened it, and the edge, this portion will also be sharpened, this point, and this point, as you can see, this is also sharpened, so this looks as the edges of the. And then you need to do it that you need to stick them together with the super glue. So you will get something like this layout, and you need to get some small twigs also across, so that it looks more like a tree. And for picking up a selection of a driftwood, you need to have something which is having the bottom is more thicker, and with the edges going like this. It doesn't matter that it specially should be in the same shape. You can have any of the shapes, and you can stick some of the woods. As you can see, I had sticked this wooden piece over here, and this one is also being glued, and another piece which is being glued is this piece, as you can see, and the behind one is also glued, super glue, and this piece is also glued over here. Okay, so friends, you need to glue it together, and the more complex you make, the more beautiful it looks. So I'll be adding few more twigs on it, so that it looks even much better. And you can take some of the driftwood logs of woods like this, which is little bit artistic, and it looks very beautiful from the front end, as you can see. And I had placed some vertical stones, they too look good, and this is the vertical stones. And this is another wood which I'll be using. These are already woods. I had already treated them quite well, and only the part is that you need to continuously boil them for 2-3 hours at a higher level of gas. And once they're boiled, you need to at least boil 2 to 3 times, and let them dry, then boil, let them dry, then boil. Thanks friends for watching, and let's see your comments for what you prepare in your driftwood. If you need any support, just drop a message and I'll definitely reply. Thank you.